With British-based factories close to London's River Thames and in the Midlands, TriflowConcepts Limited combine traditional craftsmanship with the latest technology to create the best taps in the world. We handle every stage of the manufacturing process in-house to ensure complete quality control. Proud of our innovative designs, we build excellence in from the start. And it's here that the process begins, as an idea in the minds of TriflowConcepts design team. Manufacturing begins in our foundry with pure brass and environmentally friendly low-lead alloys, heated to 1000 Celsius. It's now that the tap starts to take shape, when the molten brass is poured by hand over a refined sand resin mix into the cast iron mould. But the tap is far from finished. First, the excess brass, the so-called runners and risers, must be cut away. This process, like everything else we do, is carried out with great attention to detail. Every piece of surplus metal is removed by hand in our workshop so that it's ready for the next step. Working alongside our traditionally skilled team is some of the most highly sophisticated machinery available. These computerized machines can make complex parts of the tap's mechanism with incredible ease and precision. You can literally feel the difference when you touch our taps. That precise, smooth turning action comes from the quality and accuracy of the parts inside them. To shape and finish the metal and to remove all surface imperfections, our team use a series of grinding and polishing belts. It's done by hand because that's the best way to do it. It's a highly skilled process that's changed little over hundreds of years. When it comes to plating our taps, you'll find the same attention to detail. Each component is carefully dipped in baths of pure nickel, pewter, chrome or gold as required, for just the right amount of time to produce a lasting, lustrous finish. While we make a point of creating beautiful designs, reducing our impact on the environment is also a priority. All the chemicals used in the plating process are carefully removed to meet stringent European standards before wastewater is discharged, and all waste metals are recycled to avoid waste. All our craftsmen and women take the same level of pride in producing the best quality product to the highest possible standards. Every part, every component is carefully checked and inspected, and even at the assembly stage you'll see no automated mass production. There's the same handcrafted approach every step of the way. Our products have revolutionized the tap industry. Triflow, with its groundbreaking internal workings, is the world's first three-way tap, dispensing not only hot and cold, but also filtered water. Water is filtered at point of use and on demand through a Swiss-made ceramic catadiene filter. To prevent cross-contamination with the hot and cold, the great-tasting drinking water is delivered through a dedicated waterway. Triflow is a life-enhancing, eco-friendly alternative to bottled water. Quality design is also a hallmark of our Chinaware. Production takes place at our own factory in the heart of the English pottery country. Our exclusive designs are first modelled in plaster by hand. A mould is made which is then filled with the finest quality vitreous china clay, sourced from Cornwall, which is famous for its award-winning porcelain. Then our team of skilled craftsmen smooth every piece by hand to ensure a perfect surface. Next, we apply a high-quality glaze. This too is done by hand and not by machine because it produces the best results. Now the pieces go into our kiln where they're fired for 18 hours at temperatures of up to 1200 Celsius. When the pieces emerge, everyone is carefully checked. We even listen to our Chinaware. This traditional resonance test ensures there are no hidden flaws and that the finished product is of the highest possible quality. TriflowConcepts products are distributed across 27 countries worldwide. TriflowConcepts products are available to buy in the Far East, Europe, Russia, Canada and the United States. In 2007, we commissioned world-famous architect Zaha Hadid to explore the capabilities of brassware technology and design the tap of the future. For us, this exciting collaboration marked a return to the founding principles behind TriflowConcepts: innovation and technological excellence. Zaha's award-winning work has been known to experiment with new spatial concepts, extending and intensifying existing landscapes in the pursuit of a visionary formal aesthetic. The inspiration behind our Triflow taps by Zaha Hadid came from the fluid movement of water. The revolutionary shape required highly advanced methods of production and a unique ceramic coring process. The result is a tap that is as much a bespoke work of art as it is a kitchen or bathroom appliance.
I wanted to push the boundary. I didn't know where I was going to go. I mean, the whole thing about research and investigation is that you have an idea about what you want to achieve through that research. But the final results might be, a new discovery, another thing. It's like, it's like in medicine or in any science. Or in painting, through practice you discover other stuff which you can't imagine even yourself can get to find out or do.
The strength of the TriflowConcepts family of products is an understanding of excellence. Excellence in design, in manufacture, in product reliability, and value for money. And a belief that the difference between a good establishment and a great one is the quality of the people it employs.